Welcome to Auto Vibe. Today we are taking you on a nostalgic journey with a true classic vintage beauty. A car that carries elegance, charm, and timeless design in every curve and detail. As we walk around this masterpiece, we'll explore every angle from the front, back, right side, the dashboard, the front and back seats, and finally under the hood where the heart of this legend lies. Let's begin with the front, where the iconic grille instantly captures your attention. The chrome detailing shines with character, the round headlights stand tall with a retro glow, and the bumper reflects the old-school craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. Every line and contour of the front end whispers of a golden automotive era, when cars were not just machines but moving works of art. Shifting to the back, the tail section is just as graceful. The long rear body extends with a majestic stance, the taillights glowing in a classic rectangular design, and the chrome bumper wrapping up the back with strength and style. Even the trunk lid tells a story of spaciousness and utility, reminding us how practical and beautiful cars were designed to be decades ago. Moving to the right side, you can truly admire the length and flow of this vintage automobile. The fenders curve smoothly, the side mirrors carry that retro elegance, and the polished wheels sit proudly, showing off their white wall tires that take us back to an unforgettable era. The doors open with a sturdy metal click, a reminder of durability and craftsmanship that is rare today. As we step inside and take a closer look at the dashboard, we are instantly transported to a time when driving was a pure experience. The wooden trims, the analog dials, and the chrome-rimmed speedometer reflect a world without digital distractions, where simplicity met beauty. The steering wheel is wide and elegant, a commanding piece that brings the driver closer to the machine, while the buttons and switches feel tactile and authentic, showcasing real engineering. Sitting on the front seats, you can sense the comfort of soft leather upholstery stitched with care. The seats are wide and inviting, offering a sense of luxury that was considered premium in its era. Moving to the back seats, the story continues with spacious legroom, plush seating, and an atmosphere of elegance that allowed families and friends to enjoy every ride in comfort. Finally, we lift the hood to reveal the engine room, the true heart of this vintage classic. The engine is raw, mechanical, and full of character, with polished metal parts and exposed components that showcase real engineering rather than hidden electronics. The roar of this motor is music to the ears of enthusiasts, a deep reminder of the power and spirit that drove an entire generation of automobiles. This is more than just a car. It is history on wheels, a rolling symbol of elegance, durability, and timeless charm.